As a customer, our opinion always matters, either it is positive or as negative critics. It is only our way to share our opinion based on how we observe. And this way, manufacturers have to improve or upgrade their products based on the negative side that the customers notices. So guys, for today, I'm going to share to all of you this product that I bought on AliExpress Super Deals. And let's give some feedbacks and I will tell and explain about this. Where we can use this item. Guys, this item is a portable audio converter. This digital analog audio converter is designed for either a home or a professional audio suite and available for connection to an external device such as amplifier. You can use this guys when you have some party in your house. You can, if you love music, this is good for you. This is the effective in improving sound quality and ease of use. It is also helped to improve the sound quality, the fidelity of the music when you want to listen. It's perfect guys to use when there's occasion. This item is easy to use guys because of its simplicity, setup, and separation. It's very accessible for both the beginners and the experienced users. As you can see guys, it is super easy to connect the cords to the analog box. In general, I'm satisfied with the connectivity option and build quality of this converter. As I noticed, the best also of this item is the synchronization of the audio and the video stream is a critical aspect guys. Just keep in your mind guys that the analog system, audio, and video are often intertwined, but the digital system typically separate them, ensuring that the audio remain in sync. You need to test it guys first and set the proportion mix you want. This item guys is connected like this. Just put the cord into analog box. Then you can attach it to your component, amplifiers, TV, computers, or anything you want to boost sound quality. They also have guys a manual on how to connect properly. Just read it guys and follow the steps given. This item is designated to take the signal and convert transparently, meaning it has no impact whatsoever on the audio. The frequency of the analog is measured by a counter and converted into an output code proportional to an analog input. The main advantage of this converter guys is that it's possible to transmit frequency even in a noisy environment or in isolated places. So far so good guys, this item is so helpful for a music lover like me. It's look durable and I tested it working fine. The sound outcomes is fabulous. Overall, 10 out of 10 and I highly recommend it. The downside of this product is only the problem associated with a conventional D are exaggerated. For example, guys, regarding end speed, there will be a little delay due to the 2 amps, and with respect to output voltage accuracy, but still perfect, guys, in terms of functioning. So guys, that's for now. Hope you enjoy and appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and peace.